Hi, good morning, everybody. My name is Erick Arias. I'm a dental hygienist here at Sierra Oaks Dental, and this is.
I'm Maya. I'm one of the dental assistants here at Sierra Oaks Dental.
Welcome to our proper brushing and flossing video. We're going to show you with a soft bristle toothbrush, always soft bristle, never medium or hard. And here Maya's going to help me assist. Go ahead and open a little bit of Sharpie, Steve. And we're going to go ahead and start on the quadrant, upper right quadrant. This is a fancy way of saying the upper quarter. We're going to have the upper right quadrant, then the lower right quadrant, then the lower left quadrant, and the upper left quadrant. So we'll do all four sides. So for this part, we're going to angle the toothbrush away from the gums. We're going to stay mostly on the teeth. We're going to do at least 15 seconds. We're moving back and forth in a circular motion. Once we do 15 seconds on each side, we're going to make sure we get back to the very back part of the teeth into the front. Once we're done the circular motion, we'll do 15 seconds approximately. So this part we're done. Now we're gonna go ahead and move to the lower quadrant. Would you be able to pull out Sandy's cheek? Thank you, Sandy. Sandy is very helpful and cooperative. So we're gonna do the same thing. 15 seconds. You can do circular motion, very slightly, not too. You don't want to brush too hard. We want to be gentle on our gums and teeth. We don't want to hurt them. And once we get to the front part, we stop right here. Then we're going to move to the other quadrant, the lower left quadrant. As you can see, it takes a little longer to brush. It's not really fast. You got to go slowly. You do circular motions and circular motion again. Now we're going to move to the upper left quadrant. The upper left quadrant again, gently brush away from the gums. Then once we're done, the way I like to finish is just to make sure that all the chewing surface, go ahead, open Sandy, especially back here, are fully covered, because that's where sometimes if you snack on something, chewy candies or anything, or nuts or veggies, you can get it. So you gotta go make sure you get the chewing surface and you work all around. We've done the bottom. Now let's move to the top. And when you are doing this, again, gently in circular motion. When you do use the toothbrush, make sure you use a pea-sized amount of toothpaste. You do not need a lot. Fluoride toothpaste is what we use. We're done with this part. Now we're gonna go ahead and show you how to floss. And then you get your piece of floss. I like to wrap it around my middle fingers, because now you have a nice grip with the index and the thumb. Now you're gonna guide it, and this is as much floss as you need. As you can see, I'm gonna be able to wrap around in a C shape like I'm showing on my glove right here. So this part, especially for kids, ask mommy or daddy for help if you can't do it. We also have floss holders, but it's always best to do it with regular floss because it wraps around like a C form. So let's go with Sandy. Will you be able to help me open it?
Yeah.
Here. Thank you, Maya. So Maya is very helpful. Normally what you want to do, you want to wiggle the floss, wrap around, and do a C shape form. And normally it'll fit in very slowly. As you can see, I'm wrapping it around like a C shape. And then I do one surface, then the opposite. Sometimes you get food stuck in between your teeth and you get it out. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully this video on basic brushing and flossing was educational. Please visit us here at Sierra Oaks Dental.
Remember to brush twice a day for at least 2 minutes and floss once a day.
And when you floss, make sure it's not the floss dance, not that one, regular flossing. See you soon.
Bye.